Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about the problem related to mobile data or the network speed in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our today's video. If you are having any issue regarding your mobile data or the network speed, you can solve this by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the mobile data or the network speed problem in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. Let's watch the video.